Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the car and phone are ready. Enable Android Auto on your phone, update the Nexon head unit firmware, and choose a certified USB-C cable. Plug the cable into the phone first, then into the Nexon USB port labeled for data. This prevents charging-only connections. Once done, unlock your phone and accept any permission prompts. Make sure Bluetooth is on, but don't rely on it alone. The wired connection carries audio, apps, and touch controls. Once physically connected, tap Android Auto on the Nexon screen when the option appears. On your phone, accept the projection request and grant required permissions for contacts, messages, and maps. This enables voice, navigation, and media controls. If the phone asks what USB mode to use, pick File Transfer or Android Auto rather than charging only. Make sure the Nexon screen shows the Android Auto interface. If it doesn't, reinsert the cable and try the other USB port labeled. To finish, test navigation, media, and voice commands using the steering wheel button so you confirm full control. If something fails, unplug and reconnect the cable, restart your phone, and reboot the Nexon head unit. Simple reboots fix many handshake issues. Make sure Android Auto and Google Apps are updated, and clear the Android Auto app cache if needed. If it still won't connect, swap cables or ports. Finally, contact your dealer to verify the car's firmware and compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.